Hello, this is the clock guy. I would like to show you my absolute favorite clock in my collection. Some are more valuable, possibly. Some are more stylish if you have different tastes. But this clock just hits me in the right spots. I hope it does you too. I'd like you to comment below if you like it. This is a mid-century modern clock. It's German made. It is made, I think it's teak, I'm not sure. It was made around 1968 by the company in Germany, Weimar Clock Company. They were only in business for a few years, and to be honest with you, the only Weimar facts that I can come up with are it's a town in Germany, and that's where we get the Weimaraner, the dog. Same town. So, with this clock, I also purchased some mid-century modern or Danish modern candlestick holders with real beeswax candles. These are from, I think, the 1950s, the woman told me, but they would have been sitting very nicely next to this clock on someone's mantle in the late 60s. These were made earlier, but the date code on this one inside says 1968. So this may have been one of the last years that Weimar made this clock. It, of course, looks like the television. Remember the old console televisions we had? It has the cool legs, the spindle type legs, and the very minimalist, very
One of the neat things about this is they were smart enough to put the winding arbors on the back so it doesn't take away from the clock's appearance. Neat, huh? It's just a simple 3-rod chime. My dog added a yelp in there too, just for good measure. Very basic. Very minimalist. But I think this clock is so beautiful, don't you? Very minimalist key. Nothing special about any of this except they really hit the mark when they were designing it. I've seen clocks like this, not even in this shape. One of them actually wasn't even running. One of them had some work done to the back. And one of them also had a quartz movement in it. And they were selling for over $1,000, each one of those. So this clock is a extremely rare piece. I got it from a man in Rotterdam, Netherlands, and he told me that he has seen well over 10,000 clocks that have passed through his hands, and he has never seen one of this quality, of this style. So I feel like I have a true gem here, and I'm never going to get rid of it. And the cat is now adding to our video. So, nothing super spectacular to talk about, just let you admire it. I'll take some pictures. Okay. Please comment below if you like this. And subscribe if you want to see more. I know my videos come very slowly, few and far between. It's just I've been extremely busy with clocks. I have about 60 clocks right now that I'm working on, degrees of repair. So, once again, this is the Clock Guy, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.